Welcome to the True Pixel Art Generator. Once installed, simply import your 3D model. Step 1. Select your target model, adjust the thickness, and add a retro pixel outline.
Next, lock your sprite scale and capture the framing so your pixel size stays perfectly consistent.
Tweak your rig settings and apply the lighting to instantly generate shadow-friendly, camera-parented lights.
Choose your automatic camera angle. Let's go with a front view.
Set your export folder, name your file, and choose Sprite Sheet to pack your animation. Adjust your grid columns, trim padding, and frame steps to perfectly fit your game engine. Hit export and boom, a perfectly packed, transparent 2D sprite sheet generated right inside Blender. Want to show off your animations? You can export GIFs too. Just link your local FFmpeg file, hit export, and you have a perfectly looping, optimized GIF ready for social media. The True Pixel Art Generator, available now on itch.io, link in the description.